Morning students, welcome back in your EVS class. Today I will start with the new chapter, lesson 5, clothes we wear. So today I will give you the introduction and half of the chapter I will read from the book. So side by side you will read yourself at home. So first introduction is clothes worn. In hot places, cotton clothes. In cold places, woolen clothes. It means that in hot places, गर्म स्थानों में जहाँ पे गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है. Now these days summer is going on. So which type of clothes we have worn these days? Cotton clothes. Light, loose cotton clothes. And in cold places, whenever winter is there, then which type of clothes we wear? Woolen clothes. ठंडी जगह पे गर्म कपड़े पहने जाते हैं. But when early humans were there, what they wore at that time? क्या पहनते थे वो? Animal skin, because at that time clothes were not there. Early humans were not aware that clothes are made with the help of plants and animals. So what they wore? They wore animal skin, leaves and bark of trees. Now I will read this from the chapter. Do you know what the first clothes worn by early humans were made of? They were made from animal skin, leaves and bark of trees. They were worn as protection against heat, cold, rain. पहले अर्ली ह्यूमंस के पास पहनने के लिए अपनी बॉडी को कवर करने के लिए कपड़े नहीं थे. एंड व्हाट दे वॉर एनिमल स्किन, क्योंकि उस टाइम उनको कपड़े बनाना नहीं आता था. हाउ दे मेक क्लोथ्स, दे डोंट नो द प्रोसेस मेथड ऑफ मेकिंग क्लोथ्स. सो दे वॉर एनिमल स्किन, लीव, पत्तों से शरीर को ढकते थे, एंड बार्क ऑफ ट्रीज. इन हॉट प्लेसेस people wear light colored clothes, cotton clothes. Why they wear light colored cotton clothes? Because these help them in keeping cool and absorb all the sweat. Sweat होता है पसीना. Why people wear cotton clothes in hot places? Because cotton clothes always helpful in drying the sweat. And at cold places or in winter season, people usually wear dark colored layers of woolen clothes. गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं. Why they wear dark colored woolen clothes? Because the warm air trapped between these layers keep the cold out and we feel warm. क्योंकि गर्म कपड़े जो हैं वो हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखने में हेल्पफुल हैं. That's why we wear woolen clothes in cold places. Now next is the types of fibers. How many types of fibers are there? Natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural means that we get from the nature. And which type of natural fibers? Wool, cotton, silk. And man-made fibers, the fibers that are made by man. That is nylon and rayon. So today in this class I will discuss only the natural fibers. So natural fibers, the first is wool. And you all know that from where we get the wool. Have you heard that poem? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? So these two lines of the poem tells us that from where we get the wool? Sheep. From sheep we get the wool. And sheep hair, that is known as fleece also. So sheep hair, we get wool from sheep hair. So I will read it from the book. Wool, we get wool from sheep hair. So what are the qualities? The qualities of wool are keep us warm, हमें गर्म रखते हैं. Used to make sweaters, socks, etc. और wool से हम स्वेटर बनाते हैं, सॉक्स बनाते हैं. To keep them ourselves warm. Now I will read the qualities from the book from page number 37. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter season. People living in cold places wear woolen clothes throughout the year. Wool is used to make sweaters, socks, mittens, and mittens means gloves, shawls, mufflers, etc. Now come to the next point, cotton. From where we get the cotton clothes? We get cotton from the cotton plants. And the cotton plants are in the form of cotton bolls. I will show you the picture. See, these are the cotton bolls. This is the cotton plant. Cotton is obtained from cotton bolls. So this is the cotton plant and these are the cotton bolls. We get the cotton bolls from the cotton plants and then we convert that bolls into the yarn. Yarn means thread. Thread से फिर कपड़ा बनता है. Now this is the process to make the fiber to fabric. धागे से कपड़ा बनाने का process is known as weaving. So we get cotton from the cotton plant. So what are the qualities? Cotton clothes are light and cool. Cotton is a breathable fabric which allows the air to move through it. Breathable fabric means इसको पहन के breathable fabric means इसमें से हवा जो है वो ये फैब्रिक ऐसा फैब्रिक है जिसमें से हवा आर पार होती है. So breathable. And cotton is used to make frocks, shirts, skirts, kurta pajamas, saris, tops, etc. And cotton clothes are best for summer season or at hot places. Now the next is silk. Silk, we get silk from silkworm. And you know what is silkworm? Silkworm is an insect. एक कीड़ा है. Silkworm जिससे silk बनता है. And what is the process to make the silk from silkworm? It is in the book itself. See, here, these are the silkworms. We get silk from silkworms. What silkworm does? They make cocoons first, and then that cocoons are made into yarn. फिर धागे में उसको convert करते हैं, then उस धागे से कपड़ा बनता है, silk. So this is all the process of making silk from silkworm. So from where we get the silk? We get silk from silkworm. What are the qualities? Silk is a shiny and expensive cloth. What do you mean by expensive? महंगा. People wear silk clothes on special occasions. Silk is used in making saris, salwar suits, brocade, dupattas, etc. And at your home, your mother will also having the silk clothes. So you can see the silk from your mother's wardrobe, almirah. Any sari, any suit. So the most important thing, silk was first discovered in China. China में discover हुआ था पहले silk. Now what do you mean by fabric? Fabric कैसे बनता है? A fabric is made by weaving a yarn or thread of fiber into cloth. एक fabric कपड़ा जो है, जब हम एक धागे को yarn या धागा one and the same thing, जब हम धागे को, मैंने आपको एक process बताया था, I shown you in the book this process, weaving. Weaving is the process from where the fiber is converted into fabric. धागे को कपड़े में बनाना, that is known as weaving. A fabric is made by weaving a yarn or thread or fiber into cloth. So today in this class, what we have done, we have learned the introduction, types of fibers. Two types of fibers are there, natural, man-made. So in natural, wool, cotton, silk. Why these three are called the natural fibers? Because I am giving you the example now. From where we get the wool? Sheep. So it means that sheep comes from the nature. That is a natural thing. Cotton comes from the plant, and plant is also a natural thing. Silk comes from the silkworm, and silkworm is an insect and it is also a natural thing. So these three things we get from the nature. That's why it is known as natural things, natural fibers. And today in this class I have told you about the natural fibers. I have given the explanation of wool, cotton, silk, and about their qualities also. So what you have to do, you have to read the chapter till here, and you have to read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.